What does estate planning help you do? Well, it allows you now to plan for the future, to minimize any potential tax problems or considerations. It allows you to keep any type of arguments to a minimum inside of your family. Right? You make life easier for your relatives after you pass. So, just wanted to get that out of the way, give you a few tips. Every day, we speak about issues related to elder law. I typically say, welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I've also said in the past, elder law every day, or everyday elder law. I thought those were pretty good titles for what I'm doing. Every day I speak about the issues of elder law. One of the questions I get asked is, how do we make an appointment with you? How do we speak with you? How do we reach out to you? So there's a few ways. Go to my website, frankbrunolaw.com. There's going to be a link to make an appointment with me. But in any given month, I might be giving an estate webinar of some type. Sometimes I change the title and the focus. Sometimes I speak about, haven't done it recently, but an entire webinar on Medicaid planning, or an entire, right, so just different aspects. One that I had done relatively frequently was on the area of guardianship, right? So there's a couple different kinds of guardianship. The one that I focused on was, what would you do if you were a young couple and you passed away and there was minor children? How would we handle those children? Guardianship inside of a will, a testamentary trust inside of a will, and then I fielded questions. So how do you get in touch with me? If you've ever gotten an email from me, at the bottom of at the signature, below my signature, there's going to be a link to set an appointment and get on my calendar. I also have a vanity URL. It's www.callfrankbruno.com. So it's actually a website, or it's a domain to a landing page on the website where you can book a 15-minute call with me. Okay? Those are some of the several ways you could get me. Do I make appointments? Yeah. I like to have an appointment by telephone first, because sometimes people identify an issue or a problem, or they label it something, and they'll say, I need help with probate, and the probate was already done and they need help with something else. Sometimes people will say, I have an estate issue, and the estate is over and it's actually a Supreme Court issue. So I just like to have a telephone call to see if I really can help you. Sometimes I give information. I took a call today. The gentleman may or may not have had a case in New York, probably didn't. He's only been in New York for 3 months. The situation would probably be more easily handled in his home state. New York doesn't have jurisdiction over his case yet, so I said, go back from whence you came, and on Monday, file a case. So sometimes it's just pointing you in the right direction. If you'd like that type of assistance, please go to frankbrunolaw.com.